and welcome back to Explorer Srey's channel. Today we are in Keyhaven Marshes in Hampshire. It's a great place to go birding. It's a great day as well with the sun out, and it's been a great day for birds as well. As you can see here, these tidal mudflats are amazing habitats for winter species like hundreds of dunlins, turnstones, and you could get the odd rarity. And then further over there in the sea, there could be eiders and red-breasted mergansers, and if you're lucky, even rarer seabirds. These here are dunlin. They are winter visitors to the UK. Can you guess what the collective noun for dunlins is? It is a fling. Here's an interesting fact. I didn't know this before. The dunlin used to be called red-backed sandpiper. This is due to its summer plumage in which it had its red back. This here is a ruddy turnstone. It is another wintering species to the UK. Did you know ruddy turnstones are aggressive birds and can chase much bigger birds than themselves, like seagulls? They also prey on eggs of other species, and, quite intriguing to know, they steal from gulls and terns, which are nearly 2 times their size. This bird here is a grey plover. It is a winter visitor to the UK. Do you want to know an interesting fact? A group of plovers are called a brace or a deceit, a congregation, a wing, or a ponderance. Interesting, 6 collective nouns. These are Brent geese. They are very small geese. They possess a highly developed salt gland that allows them to drink water. A group of geese has many collective nouns, but the most common of them is a gaggle. But they could also be called a chevron, knot, and a skein of geese. Common eider is an amber-listed species. Due to the low concentration of wintering birds, it is the first one I have seen in 3 years, so I'm thoroughly happy about that. It was also a great view, so I can't complain. Did you know the eider is the fastest flying duck, even though it is the heaviest? It is also thought by many to be the fastest bird in steady level flight. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye! See you next time!